What's good, broskies and sisters, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube and around the world, whatever. Hey man, welcome back to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here we react. Well, over here we normally react to funny clips from TikTok, compilations and whatnot, funny shit, just to make us laugh, chill, and have a nice time. But today, man, we have something quite different. We have Mr. Kai Cenat the third. The third, yes, you heard that correctly. In my home country, Nigeria, aka the giant of Africa. We're gonna clap for that, man. We got Kai Cenat in Nigeria, bro. And I've been waiting to like react to a video like this because I was seeing clips on TikTok and on Twitter. On Facebook, I think. Yeah, I was like, okay. I was trying to like compile some of it and react to it, but then I went on YouTube and I just saw he dropped a video 2 days ago. My first day living in Africa, in quotes, Nigeria. Yeah, I was. Yeah, okay. At least he got that one right because I hate when people visit any country in Africa. They don't put the exact country they visited. Like they just say Africa. Like, bro, Africa is like, come on now. But anyways, man, we're gonna check out this video and see, what Kai has been up to in Nigeria. I know he will drop more videos, obviously, because if you go to Nigeria, bro, if you spend 24 hours in Nigeria, you're gonna have more than 24 hours of videos that things you're gonna do and everything. I saw he was hanging out with some of the elite folks in Nigeria, like the elite people in Nigeria, the people where the people we see and we like, I wish I could be this, type shit. But anyways, as J. Cole said, love yours. But yeah, man, without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video, man. He was just partying with Davido, right? I saw a clip of him partying with Davido, not like in a club, but like in a place where you can promote your song, something like that. But it's like a club, but not really a club. But yeah, but let's see what Kai has been up to, man. And he came with Phantom. I haven't seen or heard much from Phantom. It's just Kai Cenat going crazy everywhere. So I kind of makes me wonder what Phantom is up to right now. Because I know that nigga love to eat. He's probably someone just eating and everything. But yeah, man, let's check out the video. And before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out our Spotify Afrobeat playlist link down in the description below. And yes, like, share, subscribe, and boom, let's go. Nigeria, let's go.
We finally made it to Nigeria. Everything is settled. Everything is good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling amazing.
Hold on. Boom. I just wanna make sure.
We gotta go get some good eats, explore a little bit, and then we got something very special that we're gonna be doing today. That I've always
It's the fact that the attire that he's wearing. It's like a cultural thing that he's putting on right there, like the attire that he's wearing. I fuck with that.
I've been trying to do this for like a year, and we finally are here. So as the video keep going on, we're gonna see what's up next, bro. So I could just smell it already. It just smell like the motherland, bro. You feel me? Come on, bro. You ready? Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. I turned on my security, bro. Oh, you sure? All right. Oh, you okay? I love this place already, bro.
This is the airport.
It's just nice and hot.
This is the airport.
What's up, bro? My brother.
I didn't even know it's Kai. I didn't even know it's him. That's crazy. I didn't even know the guy was that popular in Nigeria.
Thank you so much, bro. This is my brother, Phantom. Phantom, say what's up, bro.
Phantom!
What's up? Okay.
He got the green on. Okay, I like that, Phantom. He got a green outfit on.
If you guys see this, that means we successfully recorded, edited, and posted in the same day. Come on, bro. W's. Pass, right?
Yeah, I don't know who you are, but I'm just like loving the vibe.
I do OnlyFans and shit.
I don't do OnlyFans.
Okay. Enjoy your trip,
Kai
right?
stupid, bro.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Damn, you got drip, bro. Damn. Outfit of the day. Woo. You fly. I'm looking for, while I'm here, I'm looking for a nice Nigerian queen. You feel what I'm saying? Looking for the Nigerian things. But I ain't gonna lie, this is the...
Oh, you're gonna get a lot of Nigerian pussies. I ain't even like you will get loads of them. And not just pussies, clean, fine pussies, bro. I hate to use the word, but it's just what it is.
First country I've been to, and y'all who watch me that are from Nigeria or Africa in itself have emailed me every single minute of the day, text me everything, bro. Y'all literally are really showing support support already, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. Y'all, you be making me want to cry and shit, but you feel me? We 6 hours ahead. It's 11:49. In the U.S., it is 5:49. Let me see how good my math is. Let me see.
11:49.
5:49 in the U.S.
Nice one, bro.
Yeah. What's your name?
Solomon.
Solomon?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Kai. Hey! Get her. Hey!
How is this nigga that popular in Nigeria? Even the police, man, bro. Even the airport security. Okay, yeah, I know these guys. They're like TikTok dancers and stuff.
I got 2 names for you, yo. What's my name? Your name is Uche. Uche?
Man, I hate when Nigerians do this, bro. I hate when Nigerians do it. Like, once a foreigner comes into the country, stays a while, they're gonna give you a name. It's probably gonna be an Igbo name or a Yoruba name. They just gave him Uche. They gave him Uche and Shanks, not a streamer, but he's like a YouTuber and like an entertainer type shit. He also gave him a name. He called him Omowere, which is like stupid. We're gonna get there. I hope at some point it comes up in the video, but we're gonna see. They will give you a name every single time, bro.
I got another name for Fano. Oh, what's his name is Ikena.
Ikena.
Oh shit.
The whole mob is out. The whole mob is out. That's crazy, bro. That's love. That's love. That's love.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh!
I've been at the airport for 3 days waiting for you, bro.
What the fuck? This nigga been at the airport 3 days waiting for Kai. Huh? What the hell is going on, bro? Yeah, okay. Now Nigerians, they are cooked, bro.
3 days. 3 days for you.
Yo, what the
He made the painting. That's a okay. That's fire, bro. They treat this like a no way. No fucking way, bro. No fucking way. This grown ass man has Kai's face on his ass. No. Nah, come on now. Okay, this is too much. This is glazing, bro. This is glazing. This is glazing, bro. Nah, he's glazing. He's dick riding, bro. He's meat. He's meat riding, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, though. Wait, this could be like a merch, and they could even sell this stuff. I mean, damn. Nah. Why is? See, I bet you if Duke says this, Duke will milk this. Like Kai Cenat better hope Duke doesn't say this, because I bet you if Duke says this shit, bro, nah, Kai is cooked. Kai is cooked.
Thank you, bro. What the fuck?
Ah, shit, bro. Okay. Nah, see, I'm jealous, bro, because I know if I go back to my country, they will give me like a prince welcome like this. They welcoming Kai like a flipping prince, bro. Damn, I'm jealous. Damn, bro. That's Shank. The guy was just talking about.
So you guys, I'm giving him a name.
I told you.
From now on, it's now Femi Omowere.
Femi Omowere. I don't know what Femi means, but Femi is a name. But Omowere is like it's like when you say someone is like crazy. Yeah, that's like Omowere, like she like weary means crazy. So like Kai Femi, the crazy one type shit. Nigerians are crazy, bro. I know, because I'm Nigerian and I'm crazy myself. Fuck that.
I'm giving Fana my name. Okay? From now on, Chibuzo.
Chibuzo. Yo, y'all know why I'm laughing like this? Because it's Chibuzo is like it's an actual name. It's a real name, right? But I think when I was in Nigeria, every Chibuzo that I met was fat. And you know, Phantom's like a little bit fat. So that's a perfect name for Phantom still. Damn, bro. Chibuzo. Hey. Good.
He's crying because he wants to come with me.
What the?
Bro, he's legit crying.
What
bro.
the fuck?
Damn.
What the
everybody, bro. Everybody came dressed with the drums. Hey, bro, you don't gotta cry, bro.
I'm an aspiring streamer. I need a PC so I can start streaming.
Damn, bro just said he's an aspiring streamer. He needs a PC to start streaming. Why do we do this, bro? Every time someone comes into the and every time, why, what, bro? Really? I mean, I get it. Nigeria, no cap. Nigeria has the potential. Nigeria and Congo, the Republic of Congo, something like that. And Congo, these two countries have what it takes to be like the richest countries in the world, in the whole world. Nigeria and Congo, but we do not have. I wouldn't say access. We do not have we don't have legitimate access to our resources, right? Because they are being controlled and manipulated from the elite. It makes me feel sad when I see people like really suffering. Like there's like poverty in Nigeria, which is not even supposed to be so, because we easily could be the #1 economy in Africa and the top 5 economy in the whole world. But it is what it is. But yeah, man. So bro wants to be a streamer, and I think Kai gave him 5K. I'm not sure.
You got a PC?
Yeah, I want to stream, bro.
I know, but damn, don't cry. I'm gonna see you again.
Where?
I'll be out here. Text me on Instagram.
I already did 200 times.
Okay. So what's your Instagram?
Bro said he already test DM Kai 200 flipping times. He was counting. Damn. He got lucky.
One cash flow.
Okay, I got you. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna text you right now. I promise. I got you, bro. I promise, all right? All right, God bless. Damn, bro, there's so much like people, bro. I've never got this much love off of touchdown.
W for Kai, man. W for Kai. W for Kai.
It's like a good painting. It's not a bad painting, bro.
That's a dope painting.
Oh my gosh.
That's
chat.
a dope
Oh my
painting.
God. If y'all seeing this, that means we streaming tomorrow, literally. Bro, people are on the highway. Look up. Bro, I don't know if you can see through that. Bro, they're up on the highway just to greet people, bro.
Bro, we love you.
I love you too.
#1 inspiration.
I love you. Oh, look. Oh, they wildin'. They is wild. Yo, this is crazy. Word to my mother, they're wildin'. Yo, what the fuck? This shit's like a movie. Police escort. Nah, so look, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. We have an action-packed day. The first thing I wanted to do when I got down here, and I've been seeing it, like, I seen this place like a year ago, I believe. And I've been wanting to come here, and I'm finally here. The first thing I've always wanted to do as soon as when I get back out here was to immediately and quickly give back. You feel what I'm saying? Just because I have a large Nigerian support base, and I came across a place called Makoko, and I did my research on it and stuff like that, and I thought it would be good to like give them people what they need and stuff like that, because y'all gonna see, and there's a lot of stuff that they can use that could be helpful. So I want to go ahead and as my way of coming here, let's go ahead and get that done ASAP.
Bro, in the next couple of years, streamers will be like the new celebrity, bro. Streamers will be like the richest people on earth. Okay, not the richest, but like the top, career. And they will be like celebrities, bro. Like I swear, okay, I knew people know who Kai was, but I didn't expect them to go crazy like this when they see him in Nigeria. And like Nigeria though, because our population is crazy. So like if you say anything like music, anything like internet, anything digital, like you want to like have a solid market, go to Nigeria, go to Africa, because our population is crazy. It's wild.
Before I do anything else, you feel what I'm saying? Go ahead and get that done ASAP, because, bro, this is crazy. It's hot as hell, too. No cap, bro. Gotta go eat some good eats.
Taking you to eat amala.
Amala. What's that?
Amala is local food. It's like makes your...
Oh, make your dick big. Ooh.
Make your dick big? Amala doesn't make your dick big, bro. It's just like, it's like fufu. If you know fufu, yeah, you know fufu, because fufu was trending in the last years. So it's like fufu, but like with a different texture and different color to it.
You better eat some good eats now. Feel me?
I'm here, my friend. Femi on my way.
Hey, you know what's crazy? Shank. Wait, hold on. That's amala, right?
Oh yeah, I need that. That's good.
Oh, that's chicken. That's fried chicken. So this guy next to Kai, this guy right here, he's Shank. He's also like he's a YouTuber, and it's like a social media influencer in Nigeria. So he's also like popular in Nigeria anyway. So like yeah, so yeah.
Cause my little man's right here. Yeah. Food good, right? Yes, sir.
Do you want bakery? Like they're still made from beans.
I want anything, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Idris.
Say it.
Idris.
Idris? Okay. Yo, it is hot.
The heat is cool. You like me?
Yeah.
You like
I
me?
like No, pause.
I was expecting him to say that, bro. When I heard you like me, I was like, okay, how is he going to respond to that question? And he said he liked meat, but pause. Hey yo. It just shows you like the cultural differences we have. It like living in the Western world and living like in Africa. I swear, before I moved down to Europe, bro, and before I started, getting into this internet American lifestyle and everything, even though I've never been to America anyway, and I don't even know if I want to go there because I'm afraid my black ass might get shot. But yeah, anyways, man, this whole pausing and everything, it gets me now, bro, because like, there are some things that I can't say, or when I say it, I have to say pause. I don't know, bro. It's crazy.
Put that shit. Put that shit, bro.
They have both Kai and Shank. They have like the same energy, similar energy, because they are both crazy. They are both frantic and very crazy.
The drip is good drip. It's good drip. You gotta have the drip.
Where is Phantom though? Oh, probably streaming on his own stream. I would love to react to I would love to see Phantom's video as well and react to it for sure.
Welcome to the motherland.
First time trying it. First time about to try the first Nigerian eats in here, man. I'm gonna be honest. If it's tough, it's tough.
Look at bro's forehead shining.
I'm gonna let y'all know.
The heat is crazy right now in Nigeria. The heat is crazy.
Let me take that screen. Let me see.
Good? Good. Let me see. Good.
The fuck?
You mix the soup together.
Mix the soup together, okay.
Two different soup. No, carefully.
What?
You go spoil the soup.
Oh, sorry.
Spoiling the soup.
Sorry, yo.
That's the real Nigerian tongue right there. You gotta end every sentence with O to like emphasize on it. This is sweet, oh. This is very sweet, oh.
Yes, oh.
No, you don't.
Yes, oh.
Behind everything. Which one be yes? Oh my God.
Oga, shut up, oh.
Nigeria is crazy, yo. I love Nigeria.
We are crazy, oh. Type shit.
Love Nigeria. Yeah.
You don't have to eat it like you're a carnivorous person.
No, but it's hard.
Eat this small.
That one is hard, bro.
That's what come on.
What you say?
I say your mouth is sweet now, right?
My mouth is sweet. Yeah.
Bro, what?
The most hectic shit I've ever experienced in my life. This is so crazy, bro.
Hey.
Tell the people who you are.
Bro, I'm strong, bro. I'm strong.
You're strong.
Guy's biggest fan.
Hey, this is my Nigerian uncle. This is my Nigerian uncle.
We are Jews, bro. We are Jews. Come to Nigeria, you enjoy this.
Hey, like for real though, no cap. Nigeria is one of the most welcoming place you could ever visit. Like if someone invites you to Nigeria, someone who's like influential, if they invite you to Nigeria, don't think twice about going to Nigeria, because you will have the time of your life. Like whatever you want to do, wherever you want to go, you can literally do anything. Okay, maybe not anything, but like some fun stuff. Nigerian, we are so welcoming. It's crazy, but it's crazy because we are not that welcoming to each other, but we are like more welcoming to like outsiders. It fucks me up, bro. I don't even know why. Nigerians are weird.
Which part should I bite? This part.
Anyone your mind decides.
Why your mind decides?
Oh yeah. Let's go.
You be going your mouth with it.
Hey. Yo, everybody going crazy here. You gotta come to America.
Bro, if I come to America, I will tattoo your name on my booty.
You know who Ray is?
Yeah.
You out to meet Ray.
100%. That guy is crazy too, bro.
No,
With his tiny legs.
You crazy too.
You are crazy.
You fucking crazy.
I told you, they both crazy. They have like matching energies, man. I mean, you couldn't be you couldn't be a social media influencer and not be like and not have like an anthem of craziness in you. You gotta be crazy, otherwise you won't survive the internet. The internet is a very crazy ass place. You gotta have a tough skin and you gotta be crazy to survive the internet, bro. That's mad.
It's hot. It's hot.
This is how we live. There we don't check temperature. Temperature is serious.
Over there we eat hot dog and hamburger.
Hamburger won't make your dick big, bro.
Wait. Roddy Rich. You Roddy Rich.
Why should you?
Oh. It's like 90 degrees out here right now, bro. I'm ready to change to some shorts, tank top, legs out, arms out, skin out, bro. Pause. Yo, I'm just taking everything in right now. Everything is moving. Like, I've been to Japan, I've been to Taiwan. Here, everything moves so fast. Like,
True.
I don't even, like,
True. See, we Nigerians, we say if you can survive Lagos, Lagos is the most populated city in Africa, and it's in Nigeria. If you can survive in Lagos, you can survive anywhere else in the world. Like Lagos is just like it's so fast. It's even like having to cross the road is on the street. Everyone is just like here. Like everything moves so flipping fast. And I've been to Lagos like twice or 3 times in my life before I left Nigeria. It's so fast. So if you can survive Lagos, bro, you can survive anywhere in the world. No cap.
you ugly. Huh? You ugly as fuck.
Let me see yourself.
Hey, now everybody go to Makoko, see what these people need. We gonna make shit happen. We gonna make
Damn.
shit work. Makoko, I'm on the way.
That's the first day he's.
Come over here and visit y'all and see what's going on and stuff like that. So appreciate you guys so much, Nigeria. You guys are absolutely.
Bro, it's in a
crazy,
Bentley.
bro. Like, I'm off the flight. I haven't even unpacked yet. This is one of the first things I wanted to do ASAP.
Look at my
Bro, it's in
man
a
right there,
Bentley.
though. Look at that boy. That boy's strong, boy. They get started from young. No cap. It is so hot, bro. This is the hottest place I've ever been to in my life. My uncle about to pass out, guys. My uncle, he tired of shit.
Why are you calling Shank your uncle? Shank is like 25, 24.
Bro,
I gotta teach you some New York shit. Say word to my mother.
What's my mother?
Say like what, like how?
What?
What
Like
like
what,
that?
like how?
What like how?
Yeah, like say yo op.
Your egg.
Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese.
You talk too fast. So now I'm taking him on the boat.
Let's go on the boat.
Let's go swim.
We gotta take a canoe over there.
What is
and
it, canoe?
Swim.
It's canoe.
Canoe.
It's canoe.
Canoe.
It's canoe, bro.
Aunt Kathy made me learn how to do a canoe.
It's canoe. How far now it's canoe?
Canoe.
Yeah. Why would you?
Now we gotta go in the canoe. Holy. Going through the alleyways. This is crazy, bro. You got babies.
Oh yeah, this like the
This made me realize.
not even the ghetto. It's like the one of the poorest part in Lagos. It's called Makoko. I think it's very dirty. It's like a slum. Now it's like a slum, bro. It's a slum, not like a slum. It's a slum,
You gotta be
and
very
people
grateful.
live there. So you can clearly see the wealth disparity among Nigerians. You have like the elite, the rich folks who are here, the average folks who are here, and the people who are just like here, no hope, no nothing. But then our politicians, our leaders, like the people, the elite, they millions upon millions upon millions they have stuffed in their bank accounts all over the continent, not even just in Africa. They have like accounts in Europe, in America, everywhere. But there are people living in abject poverty in the country, and that it infuriates me, bro. I won't even lie. Sometimes I wish I had superpowers. I would take out this elite, I swear.
For shit. Like you gotta be very grateful, bro, because like what the
These are kids that would
like,
probably,
bro, this is
man.
crazy, bro. Holy
You will see.
crap.
This is nothing. There are places that are worse like this in Nigeria, bro.
shit.
This is nothing. And not just in Nigeria, in Africa.
Speed. I'm not Speed.
No, you are
Who am I?
Cenat.
Yeah. Oh, stop. They know me in here. They in chat. They know me in here. Oh,
This is where people live. Like people live in this place, bro.
Hi. Hi. I'm not even gonna cap. This is hard as hell to walk through, bro. No cap. Like, seeing everybody like this at such a young age, like, damn, like, that's crazy, bro.
Shame on our leaders, bro. Shame on our Nigerian politicians. Shame on African leaders. They should be ashamed of themselves. They should be ashamed of themselves, bro.
That one, that's what they say. That's the market tomorrow.
Hold on.
Like maybe like a sense of things. Yeah, so you just give them cash if that's what you're gonna do.
So the best thing to do is what?
Get like a list of everything they need, like them costing
And give them cash.
And they have a representative that follows you maybe back to the car and you give them cash and you leave.
So we'll have to see exactly what everybody needs here, and then give them cash for it. I got some cash for it.
Bro,
and
what they
then be
need
able to-
is the government to fucking have like a housing plan for them, school and everything, but they don't care, bro. They don't care.
Hopefully they will go get it, right? They will. Okay, bad.
We'll check back and make sure they
Make sure they, okay, bad, cool. I just want to make sure they get what they need. I got the cash, but let's see what they need and then give it to the representative. Okay. I'm good right here, now.
Sorry, don't be scared.
Yeah, no, I'm good. This is crazy, bro. What's up, you good? What's up? So we're gonna see exactly what they need, what I can do.
As a Nigerian, bro, this is just sad to watch. I won't even lie to you. This is just sad to see because I know that as bad as this looks, there are places that are like worse than this. Way worse than this, bro.
And then they said the most that I can do today is give them the money give to them to see what they need. That's crazy. The water like this, like look at
The
this
water
bro.
is not even clean. They
Everyday
can't
lifestyle
drink
type shit.
nothing from this, bro.
Oh, this is a big canoe?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's like the yacht.
Yeah. Oh, like a yacht, yeah. Is the principal? You the principal? Oh, shoot.
That's a young ass principal, bro.
23 years old?
23 years
And this is
old.
your school? Yeah, can you show me around? Or let me know?
Some of them, we have 385 children in the school. So after the school, we pack the chairs for the orphans to sleep here.
Yeah. And they sleep here?
Yes, they sleep
Okay. Man, this is crazy, bro. This is another classroom, so they learn stuff at. I went to school in a class that's 5 times bigger than this, bro. And we complain about going to school, bro. I'm going to help you today, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
This building is sinking. The building is coming down.
Okay.
It's sinking, so we are looking for support to bring it down and rebuild something like that so that it can slum.
Yeah, oh, like to make it strong?
Yeah.
Okay,
We
yeah.
have the plan and also the quotation with us.
Okay. All right, yep. Damn, bro.
This is something that the Nigerian government should be doing, bro. This is what they should be doing, but no, damn, bro. This is just sad. Sometimes I wish like I could see into the future, just to see in 50 years time how Nigeria would be like if we would reach our potential, like, you know. But I don't know, cause I'm in 50. I'll still be around. Oh hell yeah, I'll still be around in 50 years. Yeah, I'll still be around in 50 years. But man, I don't know, man, because there is like it's not giving like there's a hope. You know, it's not giving like a light at the tunnel type shit. It's just giving like bare darkness at the end of the tunnel. So I don't want to be like all hope is lost for Nigeria. But the thing is, we the young ones, the youth, we are the one who should step up and be like, you know what, nah, enough is enough. But what do you see? Go on Twitter. Go on IG and you'll see what Nigerian youths, the supposed leaders of tomorrow, you will see what we are doing. Then you'll be like, okay, yeah, there's no hope. All hope is lost. When I was in primary school, excuse me, when I was in primary school, they used to be like, oh, you guys are the leaders of tomorrow, you know, blah, blah, blah. We are now in our tomorrow. We are still looking like, God damn, we are not even the leaders. Like, what's up? And then they have like kids in the primary school right now that they are being brainwashed and telling them, oh, you guys are the leaders of tomorrow. But when they get to my age, they'll be like, what the hell is going on? So, man, I don't know, man, but let's go back to Cenat in Nigeria. And I want to appreciate Kai for you know what he's doing. I mean, thank you, Kai, for real.
This is his office. This is where he get work done and stuff like that, right? What do you think you could need in here?
So, although this building is sinking, the main job problem we have in the old school is the building is sinking. And due to limited classroom, we join 2 classes together. And our KG and KG1, they are together. And we have 365 children in one classroom.
Yeah.
Imagine it is too crowd. And
Yeah.
We are looking for support to build more classrooms.
Build more
so that we can
classrooms.
have a conducive environment for learning.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
W for Kai, bro. W for Kai. W for Kai, bro.
How are you, everybody?
Now give him a love clap.
Ah, okay.
You, sir, everybody.
That's it. That's cute.
You're welcome, sir. We love you. Yeah, this is crazy, bro.
Kai is not.
Crazy, bro. Hello, children. Hello, family. Say hello, family. Hello, children.
Say hello, children. They'll tell you.
Hello, children. Okay, before we hand over the mic to them, we are going to give Shank a love clap again because last time he gave you people 30,000 naira. Abi? Yes. So give him a love clap again.
Do you know how many engineers? How many doctors, how many physicians, how many talents are in this room? If they have like the proper propagation, like if they have proper settings, proper like everything that they need, like the basic amenities, right, that they would need, I bet you, because Nigerians, this is not like to sound braggadocious or whatever, but Nigerians are like, if not the smartest, but like one of the smartest and the most hardworking people on earth that I know, and I can certify that for sure because I'm Nigerian. I see how we like when our backs is against the wall. That's when the true Nigeria comes out. So I can confidently tell you there are people with great talents, great abilities, young kids in this room right now, but without the proper foundation and proper basic amenities that they need, they might never realize their full potential, and it's crazy. It's upsetting, bro.
Thank you. First of all, I want to say it's so nice to meet all of you guys. You guys have so much great energy. I want to do as much as I can to help you guys and just be able to make sure you guys get better classrooms and stuff like that. Whatever they tell me you guys need, we're going to make sure you guys have good stuff, okay? You understand? Give them a love clap again.
Nice.
Let me put it clear.
Wow.
Yo, say Fabio, my winner. Yeah. Hey, look though, I'm gonna try like through my whole stays here. I'm here for like a good week and a half. The whole time I'm here, I'm gonna consistently be making sure that y'all getting stuff. And on top of that, when I even leave, I would like to contact you guys at a good basis. So I want to see like next time I come here, it's a whole different thing. You feel what I'm saying?
So bro is staying for a whole week and a half. That would be loads of content to react to. Okay, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I want to see like when it goes like partying with Davido, with everything, and shooting and making some content and whatever. I'm here for it. It's gonna be a good week of reaction videos, and I love it. We're here for it. This is just nice to watch, man.
Nigeria, I'm not gonna lie, you guys are showing me a lot of love. I'm for sure doing another video while I'm here out here. In the meantime, y'all will be able to watch me on Twitch tomorrow. By the time y'all see this tomorrow at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. 4 to 5 p.m. between that time. So make sure y'all tune in. A whole bunch of IRL streams will be going on, and it will be at the top of the description. So everybody go to my Twitch, so because then after I'll be able to have fun and show y'all around Nigeria and the food, everything they experience, and you guys will get an amazing time, just like how we was doing in Japan, Taiwan, all that. Streams coming soon. After Nigeria, y'all know what's next. Ghana.
Okay, he's going to Ghana. Okay.
Next time, let's see if you can show some love on this. Get the likes up.
Hey, I bet you would like listen. This is not like no hate or no shade to my Ghanaian brothers and sisters, but you wouldn't get this kind of like this lifestyle in Ghana. Like you wouldn't have this much fun in you will have fun in Ghana, but like the vibe will be different. You're gonna see though.
And stuff like that. Comment where I should go, and I'll see you guys soon. Later.
Yeah, man, that's a great video. I don't want to spend time talking about what the government could have been doing or what they're not doing, what no. But that's a win. That's a big W for Kai, man. If you want to just put W Kai in the comment section, you can do that. We're here for that. I like what Kai is doing, and I can't wait to see more videos and see like what's up. And yeah, through his whole stay in Nigeria, I hope he's having a good time, and I hope he enjoys his time in Nigeria and everything. And thank you guys for checking out this video. Be sure to come back because we're gonna have a lot of content from Kai. Throughout his whole stay in Nigeria. If he uploads more videos, we're definitely gonna check them out. And I'll see you guys on the next video, and we're out. By the way, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so help me, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.